Hi, Chris. My name is Lori Muir here at Tameron Hyundai in Hoover, Alabama. I'd like to take a moment to thank you so much for your internet inquiry on the 2015 Hyundai Sonata Hybrid. Yes, we've got tons of incentives, tons of rebates on the 2015 right now. I wanted to take a minute to show you the exact car that you have inquired about on the internet. This is the white. It is the limited. It has got the navigation package. This car is loaded with everything the 2015 has to offer. Chrome handles, push button start, leather interior, navigation, panoramic sunroof, heated seats, hands-free Bluetooth, BlueLink, live operator at the touch of a button for emergency roadside assistance or emergency 911. You also have garage door openers, auto dimming rearview mirror with compass, leather wrapped steering, computer information system right here between your two dials. The car is absolutely loaded out. All of this, and you get America's best warranty at 5 years, 60,000 miles on your powertrain, on your new car warranty, 10 years, 100,000 miles on the powertrain, and also when you purchase a hybrid, you get a lifetime warranty on the hybrid batteries for this car. Exclusively at Tameron, we also double the manufacturer's powertrain warranty to 20 years or 200,000 miles. That warranty is transferable and good at any dealer in the continental United States. Please do give me a call, Lori Muir, 380-6250. I look forward to meeting you soon, Chris.